This wasn't the video that I wanted to put out this weekend, but I'm here working on the Dodge. So the heater in this thing was out when I bought it. Replaced all the key components, narrowed it down to this switch right here being bad. A push button that I can't seem to find anywhere. So out of sheer desperation, I wired in a toggle switch. You can see there I've got wires leading down under the dash. On the other side of the firewall here, I've got a wire with a fuse in it, ran to the battery. Yes, I know that's not my greatest job, but by this point, I was tired of working on this crap because I am no electrician. I hate electrical work, so I was done at this point. Ran this white wire to separate the tellers over here to the blower motor. Grounded it off. So, in theory, this should work, but let's give her a try. Yes, that switch is held on there just by electrical tape for now. Hey, it works! Hallelujah! There's even some air coming out of the defrost. Hot diggity dog! It's almost like I knew what I was doing. Kinda. Okay, bye.